In the neon shadows of Shinagawa, Tokyo, Kojima Productions, under Hideo Kojima's visionary eye, began harnessing cutting-edge AI as early as 2021, integrating machine learning into their 4D facial capture pipeline. Hundreds of hours of expressions, from Norman Reedus to Leah Seydoux, were meticulously scanned using neural networks, enabling hyperreal micro-emotion tracking previously reserved for Hollywood VFX. Simultaneously, in Amsterdam, Guerrilla Games, creators of the Decima engine, and Sony's PS Studios team optimized AI-powered bug detection and animation smoothing across continents. Their shared satellite studio, active since 2016, evolved into a powerful AI research hub by 2023 to 2024, improving Decima's procedural animation systems, NPC behaviors, environmental physics, facial lighting, all enhanced by pattern-recognizing algorithms. By March 2025, Technical Director Michiel van der Loo confirmed that Decima now supports high-efficiency facial rigs and near-instant QA feedback on the PS5 Pro. Behind the scenes, bespoke AI tools flagged collision bugs, unsynchronized lip sync, and improbable physics anomalies, cutting QA cycles by nearly 40%. Rumors point to AI-generated secondary dialogue and procedural story arcs, likely trained on Kojima's own script conventions, but no official confirmation yet. What is certain, from 2021 to 2025, the blend of machine learning, deep learning facial capture, and Decima's enhanced AI firmware became the silent co-director of Death Stranding 2. Tokyo and Amsterdam, neural networks and Decima's engine, human actors and synthetic precision, this is where art meets science. And if we didn't know, now we all do.